Welcome traders, this is Patrick from Trading123. In this video we're going to talk about the Trading123 Fibonacci indicator, trading futures here. This chart is from Friday, July 8th, 2022. And with our fib numbers, they draw the lines on the chart automatically. And what makes our fib numbers different from other fib numbers is right here, this green line is the daily fib, so when the price is above it, the trend is up. So here you have the price shoot up off of the 61.8, which is a reversal area, pulls back, and then the price goes up to the next fib level. So you trade one fib to the next, and then it comes down here, holds this daily support at 103, and your target would be the next fib level up here at 104.30, so almost a 1-point run. And then we have the daily high and the daily open, which price above the daily open, it's also a confirmation that the trend is up. So basically here, when the price loses a fib area, you would go short and you would target the first fib and the second fib. The 61.8 is always it's not guaranteed. I can't say always, but it's a known reversal area that institutions trade off of. So this would have been a nice long, and up it goes. Got long 103. It went up 30, 40 ticks, and one and done day right there. And so that's how the fibs work. What makes ours different from others is that the lines are drawn automatically. So if you're having a big sell-off, these are going to keep redrawing, where if you're using a different fib, you draw the lines, and once it gets beyond the lines, you don't know where the price is going. So ours is constantly, I think it updates every with the highs and lows. And it works pretty good, as you'll see in the trade that I'm about to show you. It's very simple, so you don't have to draw the fibs anymore. Plots it automatically, and we like to use a 2 or 3 minute chart with the fib indicator over using a Renko, because it doesn't really draw that accurate on the Renko bars or any other type of bars. Works specifically on minute bars. So as you see, this chart right here, we had a down move and then an up move. And if you're using this with the AutoTrader, you will see what can happen. So this is a screenshot of 10 to 10, 940 to 1040 or so. So the market's going up here into a fib level. So what do you think is going to happen? What goes up comes down. So what I did is I set this up with the AutoTrader and let the AutoTrader get in, because it uses a precise algorithm to catch the trend reversals. So when you're topping at the top of say a high, or you're down here at the low, the trend is going to change. So pay attention to the time here. Look, it's 10:50. So I start the AutoTrader, and here's my trade based on this going into resistance at the fib. I've been using these numbers now for well over 10 years, and pretty much we're going to get a reversal. So I start the AutoTrader right here, 10:58. Market kind of went sideways there at the top, and AutoTrader gets short 3 contracts at 104.09 and sells down to 103.78 area, and we hit our $800 profit goal. Now so I'm looking at the fibs and then looking to start the AutoTrader to put on a trade to start trading the next move. And that's how simple it is. And you can set your profit goal to whatever you want. And so while I'm trading with this, I'm also watching the fibs. So let's look at the fibs and see what happened. Here's a chart where it topped out, going into the 1050 time frame. It's at the high there of the fib, the 23.6 at 104.38. Now, if we look at the next screenshot here, after 11 o'clock, this is what happened. It fell below the fib, bounced up, made a high, and sold off right to 103.34. And where did the AutoTrader get out? Well, we got out at 103.78 because that was our goal. But it was a great trade, and we could have got more on it, but we had a goal set. But that, you can see the potential. You can identify your targets. The 103.77 was a fib area, so that we got out at the 103.79. So right near the fib level, and then it sunk back down, and now you're at a support level. And basically this is major support, this green line on the fib level, and it bounced, and then I just manually took it long because I seen the price moving, and up it went, and you target the next fib level, and then it just kept going. And then of course here it goes into a double top, and then what do you think happened? So that's using the Trading123 fibs and the AutoTrader to profit and to tackle the market each day, and that's how they work. So thanks for watching the video. If you got any questions, go to our website, Trading123.net, and look at the Fibonacci indicator. It's a very powerful indicator everybody should use and put it to work in your trading. And be sure to like us on Facebook and Twitter and all that social media stuff. And we'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your trading.